Finding the beach of your dreams has become easier. No longer do you need to study dozens of reviews. We've gathered all the beaches in the world in one place and created a unique filtering system for all these locations. Thanks to the detailed characteristics we included in our filter, you can make just a few clicks and find yourself on the beach of your dreams. The main thing is to understand what exactly you are looking for. Just imagine, tens of thousands of small and large, sandy, pebbly, and rocky beaches, each with its unique characteristics, gathered in one place. And the best part is, you can filter them exactly the way you want. A world map of beaches with maximum coastal detail will allow you to explore the most secluded corners of the land without switching to other resources. And a built-in search system within our database that allows you to cover any beach country in the world. Which, combined with the new filters, provides an excellent result. And sends you from one corner of the globe to another in just a few seconds. Searching for beaches has never been as enjoyable as it is now, and it has never been easier.